How to check if your laptop is original or refurbished. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to check if your laptop is original or refurbished, you'll need to go to the search on the taskbar and search for run, and then just open it up and then search for MS Info 32 and hit enter. Now something like this will pop up and then go to system SKU and check the digits. So if all the digits are 0, then that means your laptop is original. But there are some other numbers other than 0, then that means that your laptop is refurbished. It's as simple as that to know. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.